this is Heidi with WTI. This HoMedics Triple Action Shiatsu Foot Massager feels so good on my tired feet. My favorite part is the fact that there are 3 massagers for each foot. And because it's not enclosed, I can move my feet easily to find the spot that feels the best. And it works easily for different sized feet. I also love the heat feature. It makes me feel so warm and cozy, and it's so comforting. It's also hands-free, so you can control it with your feet. You don't have to bend down to hit the buttons. And the profile is nice and low, which makes it very easy to store. I consider it such a treat and luxury to have this HoMedics foot massager in my home. I enjoy it thoroughly. And that's my point of view.